Today we're going to cover a useful feature on iOS 17, how to enable and manage caller ID. Whether you want to make sure your calls are properly identified or just want to tweak your settings, this guide will help you out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech tips and tricks. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17. You can check this by going to Settings, then on General, and going to About and see your iOS version. Now let's do the settings. Go to Settings, go to Phone. This will open the phone settings where you can adjust various call related options. Now in the phone settings, look for the option labeled Show My Caller ID. And make sure the toggle is turned on. This setting ensures that your phone number is displayed when you make calls. Like this. If you want to manage how unknown or spam calls are handled, go back to the phone settings and tap on Silence Unknown Callers. You can toggle this option on or off depending on whether you want to silence calls from numbers not in your contacts. Now, for additional caller ID features such as identifying spam or telemarketing calls, you might need to enable third-party apps or services. Go back to the main settings and tap on Phone and then Call Blocking. Here you can enable any call identification app you've installed. And that's it. You've now enabled and managed caller ID on your iPhone with iOS 17.